Snapchat stories can usually be viewed by your friends or a public audience, depending on what your settings are. If you want your story to be visible only to a select few, you can make a private story. To do this, click on your Bitmoji or profile icon. Tap the new story icon with the plus sign. A pop-up should appear. Tap on New Private Story. Here, you can choose who can view your private story. Tap on any friends that you'd like to add. Next, name your private story. Now you can send snaps to these private stories for your select friends to view.